Okay, in the last video we have discussed about the difference between respiration and breathing. In this class we will be looking in detail what the process of respiration is. As in the previous class we have told about the oxidation of glucose to release energy, carbon dioxide and water. That is what is meant by respiration. So, during the process of respiration what will be happening? So we can see when we are eating food containing carbohydrates, what will be happening? Our digestive system breaks this carbon dioxide to release a compound known as glucose. So while we are eating carbohydrates, our digestive system will break the carbohydrates into glucose. And this glucose goes into our blood. And this blood will be delivering glucose to each and every part of our body. The blood will be delivering glucose to each and every cell of our body. And these body cells will be using this glucose to get energy for their survival. As you know, these cells need loads of energy for various life processes. So these cells will be using this glucose to get the energy, and that energy in glucose is locked up inside the cell, and this energy is locked up as glucose. So this glucose is an energy store which releases energy. These cells are getting energy in the form of ATP. So the cells have to use this energy, or the energy released by the cells in the form of ATP by the oxidation of glucose. So, before the cells can use this energy, it has to be released from glucose. So, this process is done by tiny structures called mitochondria. As you know, mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cells, and they are found inside each and every cell of our body. And this mitochondria will be converting this glucose into energy rich ATP molecules. And you can see in the picture here, glucose in the presence of oxygen will be releasing energy. And what will be the byproducts? Water and carbon dioxide will be the byproducts. So respiration involves the release of energy in the form of ATP, and this process happens inside the cell, in the cell organelle known as mitochondria, and in the process glucose will be combining with oxygen to release energy, and the byproducts are water and carbon dioxide. So here you can see the equation for the process. Glucose plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. So, as I have told you, mitochondria is the cell organelle which releases energy from the glucose, and the cells will be using this energy for its life purposes. These mitochondria will be carrying out chemical reactions known as aerobic respiration. What do you mean by aerobic respiration? The respiration which uses oxygen from air is known as aerobic respiration. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood the topic. If you have any doubts regarding the topic, you can ask in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe my video, and please share it with your friends. Thank you.